This is what you should expect when you access your appointment through the client portal.
Link, you can see right here that I am taken to this kind of waiting room. Now, I'm using Google Chrome. The first time you do this using a desktop computer, Google Chrome is going to ask you if you are going to allow Google Chrome to use your camera and your microphone. Okay, so that's giving permission to the browser to use those two external tools. So just be sure to say yes to that. Even when you say yes to it, it's not going to automatically turn those features on for you. As you can see, it says off here for audio and off for video. But I have this little red indicator on my tab letting me know, hey, this tab could be using your camera or your microphone. Training Fairness, that's the name of my organization. So the name of your counseling practice is going to be shown right here, as well as this little message here that's letting you know that the therapist has not started the session yet. I can go on ahead and enter in my session as a preferred name. It does have my session for, and it's s.parker, so first initial dot last name. And so if I want to enter it in a preferred name here, I certainly can. I can also go on ahead and turn on my video. Or I can turn on my audio as well. Or if I just want to wait for the therapist to join the session, and I can wait for them to join before I turn on those features. Just want to point out to you that it can say off right here, and it's grayed out. So again, when I turn it on, not only will I be able to see myself, I can also see that it is marked green. And then for audio, same thing, it switches from on and then also shows on here. So that is how you can join from the client portal link that was given to you via the secure message using a desktop computer. So we're going to talk about how to do this from a mobile device. Here's what my therapist sent to me as a text message. I can click on the preview and go to the link, which will open up in my Safari browser on my iPhone. Safari asks if I would like to use my microphone and camera, and I must say allow. Now, it doesn't turn it on or off for me. As you can see, those are still off in the screen right now, just like it does for the desktop version. I can enter in a preferred name, just like I can with desktop. And so I can turn on my video and my audio just like I can with anything else. So there's my video, and then there's my audio. Again, it just switches to on, and even the little toggle switches to green as well, just so you can see there what that looks like. Now we just wait for the therapist to join the session. Thank you so much, and have a great day.